This right here is a brand new 2025 F53. You don't think anyone would bring it right off the lot to get suspension and steering upgrades, right? Well, in this case, this has drove less than 5 miles and is here at our shop getting all of those upgrades. We've got Seth over here, and this is the customer. He's going to explain to you why he would bring it here.
This is our second RV. We had a Tiffin Wayfarer Class C, and we had a lot of problems with sway, and then finally got some fairly minor suspension modifications, and it made a really big difference. When I was getting ready to buy this unit, did a lot of research online, a lot of forums, and there's basically two solutions. One is liquid springs, which is $25,000. It's been very complicated, but a lot of people really recommended the Henderson lineup. They said they know what they're doing. They manufacture some of the parts. We've been doing this forever. Great reputation. I just said, do what you need to do to make this thing right. And why do I waste time driving a badly handling rig? We'll just get it done right off the bat.
So let's show everyone right now what we got done to this coach and what we did to help improve that ride. So here we got the front end of this F53. They used to come with a smaller sway bar, less thick. Ford realized that this chassis definitely needs a little more help with that, so they ended up going up with a 2-inch bar. We added on these radius rods. These help to control front to back movement in the front leaf spring bushings. When putting on a set, you will experience improved cornering, which makes the steering much more responsive. We have an adjustable drag link here, which allows you to recenter the steering wheel. This small but powerful upgrade improves handling, reduces driver fatigue, and ensures your motorhome tracks straight on the highway. Panning over here, we have the new Koni shocks. They were actually made specifically for this chassis. The Koni Evos use advanced frequency selective damping to adapt in real time, delivering firm control during turns and soft comfort over rough roads. With a larger 50mm piston and higher oil capacity, they offer improved ride quality, reduced sway, and longer lasting performance. Moving over to the steering over here, we have the Safety Plus steering stabilizer. It delivers 220 pounds of built-in centering force, helping your motorhome track straight and automatically return to center. Hell, it's a night and day difference the way it helps with that. Onto the rear, another bigger factory sway bar compared to the older years, and all we did is we add new bushings to these. This kit replaces the rear original bushings, brackets, and bolts. We installed much bigger saddle brackets with polyurethane bushings that improve handling by reducing deflection. Moving up from the sway bar, we have these new Sumo Springs. This product is designed to enhance load carrying ability, stabilize sway, and improve overall ride comfort. It is maintenance free, does not leak air, and does not require airlines or compressors. And with that playing along in that is that new rear Tracbar, which eliminates side-to-side axle movement that causes tail wag and that unsettling push-pull feeling from crosswinds and passing trucks. And if we move on a little bit further, we have this new auxiliary sway bar. This additional bar adds extra roll resistance to your suspension system. It really helps keep your motorhome level and stable, even in challenging driving conditions. We also have the brand new Koni shocks. Much like the Konis on the front, the rear shocks enhance ride comfort and handling by utilizing the same FSD technology. All this leads to reduced vibrations and improved stability. We just want to thank you for being a great customer, loyal customer. Without you guys, we wouldn't have business. And I had one question. If you had someone that was new to the RV world buying a new rig, is there's anything you would suggest for them?
Just get it done right off the bat. Why suffer through months or years of bad handling? Just get it done.
Thank you for coming and being a customer once again, and we wish all of you guys safer and happier driving.
Thank you.